Hey there, foodies! Welcome back to Imagenish Videos, the place where we explore the world through its delicious cuisines. Today, we're diving into the heart of Jamaican cuisine to uncover the mysteries behind one of its most beloved treats, cocoa bread. To understand cocoa bread, we need to take a step back in time. Did you know that cocoa bread has its roots in Jamaica's history, dating back to the Arawak and Taino indigenous people? It has since evolved into a beloved part of Jamaican culinary culture. What's in a name? Have you ever wondered why it's called cocoa bread? Well, it's not because it contains coconut. The name actually comes from the cocoa yam, a starchy tuber often used in traditional Caribbean cuisine. However, in modern recipes, you'll find a delightful blend of flour, yeast, and other secret ingredients. The perfect pairing: cocoa bread and patty. Now, let's talk about the dynamic duo, cocoa bread and Jamaican patty. Did you know that cocoa bread is not just a snack on its own? It's the ultimate partner for the famous Jamaican patty. Locals often refer to this combination as cocoa and patty, a match made in culinary heaven. Symbolism and celebrations. Cocoa bread isn't just a tasty treat. It holds cultural significance in Jamaican celebrations. It's a staple at events like parties, weddings, and family gatherings, symbolizing unity and togetherness. It's amazing how a simple bread can bring people together. Making cocoa bread from scratch. Now, let's get hands-on. I'm going to attempt to make authentic Jamaican cocoa bread from scratch. Follow along as we mix, knead, and bake our way to a taste of Jamaica. And stay tuned for a special twist in our recipe that you might not expect. Surprise twist: sweet versus savory cocoa bread. Here's a twist for you. Did you know that there's a sweet version of cocoa bread? It's not as well known as its savory counterpart, but it's equally delicious. Here's a fascinating tidbit. Did you know that cocoa bread has made its mark in Jamaica's reggae music culture? It's not just a treat for the taste buds, it's a symbol of unity and comfort. Many reggae artists reference cocoa bread in their lyrics, celebrating its warmth and connection to the Jamaican way of life. Bustling Jamaican streets, vibrant markets, and the irresistible aroma of cocoa bread. You can find innovative variations like jerk chicken stuffed cocoa bread or even curry-infused versions. These street food twists are a testament to the creativity within Jamaican culinary culture. Cocoa bread and Rastafarian influence. Delving into the cultural tapestry of Jamaica, we find a unique connection between cocoa bread and the Rastafarian movement. It has become a staple in their Ital cuisine, emphasizing the importance of natural, unprocessed ingredients. Who knew this humble bread held such mystical significance? Jamaican cocoa bread abroad. Cocoa bread's influence isn't confined to Jamaica alone. Jamaican communities around the world have taken this delectable creation with them. In places like the United States, the UK, and Canada, you can find cocoa bread being enjoyed alongside traditional Jamaican dishes, contributing to the global spread of this beloved treat. The cocoa bread connection to Jamaican breakfasts. Here's a breakfast revelation. Cocoa bread isn't just reserved for lunch or dinner. In Jamaica, it's a popular choice for breakfast. Cocoa bread as a culinary canvas. Cocoa bread isn't just a sidekick. It's a culinary canvas for chefs and home cooks alike. In recent years, chefs have been experimenting with cocoa bread as a base for various gourmet sandwiches. From seafood creations to exotic veggie delights, cocoa bread is proving its versatility beyond the traditional patty filling. The health benefits of cocoa bread. Surprising, isn't it? Cocoa bread, often considered a comfort food, does have some nutritional benefits. Additionally, when made with whole wheat flour, it can offer a decent amount of fiber. So, next time you savor a piece of cocoa bread, know that you're indulging in a tasty and somewhat nutritious treat. Jamaican culture is rich with sayings and proverbs, and interestingly, cocoa bread has found its way into the language. Ever heard the phrase, "Nyam mi cocoa bread"? It's a playful way of saying, share with me. So, next time you're enjoying cocoa bread with friends, remember, it's a communal experience deeply embedded in the Jamaican vernacular. There's a skill to properly enjoying cocoa bread with a patty. Locals have mastered the art of the cocoa bread fold. It's not just about placing the patty in the bread. It's about the perfect fold that ensures all the flavors meld together in every bite. It's a technique passed down through generations, creating a tactile and flavorful experience. And there you have it, a plate full of unknown facts about Jamaican cocoa bread. I hope you've enjoyed this deep dive into the cultural and culinary roots of this iconic dish. If you're a cocoa bread enthusiast or have your own unique stories about it, share them in the comments below. Until our next food adventure, stay curious, stay hungry, and keep exploring the world's diverse flavors. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting content. Catch you in the next video.